What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to search frequently asked questions on forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your web browser and type forex or forex.com like this, and then you'll see this first link which says forex trading online #1 and all. You just go over there, and then you'll be redirected directly to this particular platform, which is forex.com website. Now what you have to do is just go all the way up, and there you can see support option. Just go over there, and then you'll see here are the popular FAQs. You can go over there, just choose that option, and then you can see these are the options, or let's say the frequently asked question that you can search over here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.